Governor Hutchinson's executive order for a statewide mask mandate goes into effect today. People will be required to wear a mask at all indoor and outdoor environments. This comes as the state has over 33,000 COVID-19 cases, with the governor hoping this will help flatten the curve.
I definitely think it will make a difference. We know that there are patients, number one, that never have symptoms, but they are infectious and they can spread infection unknowingly. And there are also patients that, there's a period of time before their symptoms present that they're infectious, and so that they can spread infection during that time period.
The governor made the announcement Thursday. The mandate will require a mask be worn when one isn't around a household members and if social distancing isn't possible. Dr. Holder says one must wear a mask correctly for it to be effective.
So you've got to cover your nose, you've got to cover your chin, and you still need to adhere to physical distancing. So the mask is not in lieu of physical distancing, it's in addition to.
There are exemptions. Children under 10 will not be required to wear one, neither will individuals with a medical condition. People taking part in sporting events or practice will not be required to wear a mask, as well as individuals eating and drinking. A warning will be given to those who don't comply, and secondly, a fine from $100 to $500. No arrest can happen if one violates the order. Dr. Holder says that if people do follow it, this could help alleviate hospitals.
For the fall, are saying 20,000 new cases per day by the end of September. And again, that's very alarming. And the predictions also say that if we can be very compliant with masking, that may drop down to 6,000 cases per day. So that the people that do need care in the hospital, our facilities and our healthcare workers are able to provide them the best possible care.
Now, I did reach out to a few law enforcement agencies about the mandate, asking if they would enforce it. The Craighead and Poinsett County Sheriff offices say that they will only respond if a business owner calls, saying that individual will not wear a mask and will not leave. The individual will then be able to be charged with trespassing. And the Trumann Police Department says that they would first like to educate the person about the mandate and then at a last resort issue a citation. For Northeast Arkansas News, I am Sarah Doan in Jonesboro.